Hi dearest, how are you doing today? So today I'm going to be showing how I made this dinner pillbox fascinator for a client. So what you'll be needing is your lovely cutter, my lovely cutter, then your scissors, then you'll be needing a matching thread with needle, matching thread of course to the accessories you're going to be using. Then I made use of my zigzag scissors as well, and uhu gum, and this is called antenna, I call it dots. Okay, this elastic band, then your fascinator veil, or called the Birdcage, your measurement tape. Now this fascinator veil is measured 9 inches, so that's 1/4 of a yard. Okay, then this is my Pillbox ready-made hat already. Lovely, isn't it? The color red. And this is 2 pieces of foam pulley, or thick pulley, or scuba, and is measured 3 inches by 7 inches. So you're going to cut out 2 pieces of that, and our stone trimming. So let's get into business. So the first thing we're going to do is to cut our elastic band. I've pulled out that iron in between. I'm sure if you've watched my previous videos, you know how I do that. Then I'm cutting out 2 inches. Now I cut out 2 inches to enable it fit firmly on the head. Now what I'm going to do now is to sew it on my Pillbox ready-made fascinator. Now when you're sewing it, you need to check the placement of your fascinator on your head. Now that will determine where you are going to sew your Alice band. So I'm going to show you how I sew one, not Alice band, your elastic band. I'll show you how I sew one, and the other, it's done the same way. Do take a little time to subscribe to this great channel of mine, and you won't regret it. Okay, so let's get to making our Birdcage ready. So what you do is you gather the tip of your 9-inch fascinator veil or Birdcage, and you just sew it like so. Okay, once you're done with that, you place it at the position where it will fall, the other side will fall at one side of your face, and you sew it in. Ensure you check this on a mannequin head, so that, or your head, so that you're sure it's coming out and falling the way you want it to fall. Keep watching and learning. Okay, so next we're going to be making the bow. Now I made use of the double bow that I told you. I put them together like so. The next thing, I folded it to get the midpoint, and I'm going to take my needle and thread and push it through there to hold the 2 pieces of foam pulley together. Okay, once that's done, then I make my bow. Just watch carefully how I make the bow. If you are gaining value from this video, please do give me a thumbs up. Okay, so let's get back into the training. Keep watching and learning. In case you can't get any of the materials used in making this Pillbox fascinator in your local store, you could check the description of this video and you'll see links on where you can purchase them. Okay, so that done, we're going to get it on top of our Pillbox fascinator to cover up that sewing that we did with the Birdcage or fascinator veil. And so I'm going to sew it there on top like so. Keep watching and learning. Yeah, have you heard of the Craft Academy? If you have, to let me know in the comment section below, and if you haven't, do also let me know in the comment section below. Okay, next step in our dinner Pillbox fascinator is to cover up that sewing, and that's where we're going to make use of this stone trimming. Alright, so I'm going to cut the piece. I just checked it out now, and this is the piece that will cover it very well. Our uhu gum comes into play, and you just rub it on the stones, don't let it pass through the hoops, and you cover it up neatly. Okay, so the next thing to do is get those dots ready. Well, I call it dotted, but I think they call it antenna. What do you think it's called? I guess it will be written in the description below this video. Okay, so that's, you cut the inch, like an inch. Then you take it like so. It has wire inside, so you just bend the 2 sides like so on one strand of the fascinator net. So I'm going to be doing that all around. See that here now? And the next thing, I'm going to cover the sewings there with the stoned trimmings. And that's how we get this dinner Pillbox fascinator set and ready for our client. Alright, hope you gained value from this video. Until we meet next time, is goodbye and God bless.